Before painting, the car body is degreased and phosphated. Only then will the paint adhere reliably. The rotations prevent air bubbles forming, so every little corner ends up 100% clean. Then comes the immersion bath of primer, the first of 4 coats of paint. It protects the metal from corrosion and ensures a long life. 330 volts DC are applied to the body. That transports just the right amount of paint. The excess drips off and is caught in the trough. The bodies are carefully checked to ensure that they're perfectly primed. Sensitive areas such as seams and joins and also wheel arches and sills are sealed fully automatically with PVC. That provides additional protection against stones and salt spray. Before the paint itself is applied, some points may have to be sanded down and thoroughly cleaned. Air jets and emu feathers ensure that not a speck of dust remains on the surface. The second coating is now applied. The filler, as it's called, evens out any slight bumps and makes the paint more elastic so that the surface doesn't crack. Then the base coat is sprayed on. This is what provides the color. There are 32 different colors and a changeover can be made at any time. The cyclone atomizer whirls the paint into a fine mist. That prevents any drops forming. The droplets emerging from the nozzle are electrostatically charged, so they're attracted to the body over an extended area. The paint spreads evenly over the surface and hardly any is wasted. The process requires enormous amounts of fresh air. In 1 hour, enough is blown through to fill a football stadium. A pneumatic robot applies an additional layer for special effect finishes. The high-speed spray aligns the reflecting particles so that they reflect the light differently depending on the angle they're viewed at. Finally, a scratch-proof sealing coat is applied. The clear lacquer protects the paint from ultraviolet light, the weather and dirt. Above all, it provides gloss and depth of color. The sealing coat is permanently baked at 140 degrees Celsius in the drying oven, in the interests of a long and glittering life for your car.